Hey everyone, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Are you tired of spending hours and hours crafting buildings for your games? And do you dream of quickly creating unique and interesting structures without the hassle? Well, fret no more. Today we are diving into BuildingGen, the ultimate solution for effortless 3D building creation. And this tool will enable you to easily build open worlds on scale, because especially there it will be important that you have automations to quickly build new buildings and also automatically place them later in the level with other tools I will also show. But what is BuildingGen? BuildingGen is a revolutionary tool that lets you generate stunning 3D buildings for your games in a flash. Unlike traditional methods that require complex node graphs, BuildingGen uses intuitive blueprints similar to Unreal Engine, where you simply choose your foundation and specify the number of floors and arrange pre-made components to bring your dream building to life. Also, gone are the days of limited styles. BuildingGen offers a vast library of modular components, allowing you to craft everything from modern skyscrapers to whimsical cartoon houses and even futuristic sci-fi structures. BuildingGen seamlessly integrates with your 3D environment, creating a cohesive and visual stunning world. And as we already mentioned, there's a blueprint system which is designed to spark your creativity. It's fast and interactive, letting you experiment with different configurations and see the results in real time. So you can just watch the magic unfold as your building takes shape right before your eyes. BuildingGen also comes with a package with over 210 high quality samples and components, including 10 pre-designed buildings. Need walls, windows or doors or something like that, BuildingGen also has you covered there. These assets are perfect for building diverse environments. The buildings you can later also easily customize with multiple styles, so you can really personalize your buildings with a variety of different styles, where you can choose from red bricks, classic stone or modern plaster, and with complete control over every element. You can even mix and match to create one-of-a-kind architectural masterpieces. BuildingGen empowers you to modify your structures with ease. Add or remove units, incorporate pillars, fences, steps, or create unique features like balconies or open-air spaces. Want to redefine the exterior? You can easily swap out materials, doors and windows. The possibilities for the customization here are really endless. BuildingGen's intelligent smart rebuild feature lets you also change your mind without starting again from scratch. You can easily modify the entire structure, restyle individual floors or components, all while preserving the overall integrity of your building. It's perfect for making precise adjustments and saving your valuable time. BuildingGen's materials also come in with a built-in day and night mode. With a single click you can easily transform your buildings from a bustling daytime structure to illuminated nighttime scenes. You can even add details like realistic glass reflections and window dressings for extra touch of immersion. At the same time, it is built with performance in mind. Its clever system ensures no resources are wasted by consolidating or repeating textures and models. Additionally, the modular design allows for efficient instancing, meaning multiple buildings can share the resources and textures. This translates to smoother gameplay and higher frame rates of your games. BuildingGen also lets you create custom building packages tailored to specific styles and eras. Want a collection of Victorian houses or maybe a futuristic cityscape? BuildingGen makes it easy. You can even import your own assets and personalize packages to achieve your desired aesthetics. Now you also got a better overview about how you can create buildings at scale, but at the same time you also need to place them in the world. And for this we also made a few more videos here on the channel, which I also will link in the description, so where we really in-depth show how we also, for example, already set it up a Houdini generation tool, for example, to spawn huge cities with just a few clicks. So you can also feel free to check out those videos if this topic is in generally interesting or you're building out open worlds, because especially when you want to build open world games, it's very important to keep an eye out and watch out for automations and optimizations there of your workflows, because otherwise you are wasting a lot of time and money and resources in general to build out those open worlds and levels basically. So if you also plan to build your game open world level, we are always here to assist and can also recommend tools and AIs to automate the processes and save you time in the creation processes. So I would be happy to assist you there as well and recommend some tools in the description, and here in the video you can easily find my email, so you can easily contact me if you want to get some support there in building out your game or the level. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to hear from you. But to quickly summarize, BuildingGen is the ultimate tool for creating stunning and unique 3D buildings for your games in record time. With its intuitive interface, vast asset library and powerful customization options, BuildingGen is a game changer for game developers of all levels. Ready to take your game environment to the next level? Then check out the link in the description below to learn more about BuildingGen and start creating amazing buildings today. Also, of course, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome game development content and recommendations of tools, and also showcases how we, for example, also automate parts of the game development or level design processes and all that stuff. As I mentioned, we also made a few videos where we used Houdini to create huge cities in just a few seconds, so also feel free to check out those videos. And if you have any questions about BuildingGen, leave a comment there below and I will be happy to assist there. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something, and that's it from my end. Have a nice rest of your day and take care. Bye.